And we're live. Meaning, Joe Acholi, welcome back to Chaka Leb Acholi. One segment, Ceng Abicel, Okeny, session number 9. Topic Martin want me to discuss is Dongo Gang or investing back home. What bit of katama topic again? One, what bit of Jomi Gang, and what Dongo Wahokan Makin Pole. One and any one more lurry Wahokani, what border you to Gang Kuya. Gipegi capacity migwahogang wala dongogang kengi pian bena kuma to guinea in the different countries gang Africa gitwero dongogang tuako. So I wanted this would be a good topic michaka lok mingoni kima jumati wako kanye nyo wako wilobo mapat pate kima gitwero konyo dano gang or mi konyo gero gang. I know that Paul one mawati wako what bit of yenyo opportunity mi draw konya gang ba chwala kono chena mukmana nok ma konya kono school fees uniform gang kwan jiri odyer will jam mo bene cholo rande will ngomge lakin that's not enough to sustain community to for long term. Well, one way come on watch out explore a topic any before bene um what 1 minute watch out to my other investments gang. Okay, I'm gonna pass it over to you. Introduce yourself, Yalla. Share a little bit about what you think about topic of today, which is Dongo Gang or investing back home. Why do you think this topic is important? Yalla.
Kang apo mi jolani gina Chaka Leb Acholi. Dano yung mungi be man nying Okeny. So topic and what you lo na lo mi dongo yo team investment gang munu important topic ma achuli wengu nunga mero ginge yala pola chula ngiu mena gitiga ibo toko tugi moko yo ibo apartment gimo atiri kari minonga chene eko lakin gibo go digi gibe doggang kagi gibere ye yo komberi family tugi bere ye so anga tamo ni pol dano gi bino kanya iunyo gina yo laya moga beach moga pa beach yo moga pia rio gin weng pol gitie gi riego mo me minongo ngom kari South Sudan ko Uganda kari Uganda ko Kenya kari Kenya ko kamo me Kenya Africa ko kito no ngom igere gimo atiri wat be bere nyo ini ipango mo down yo okel kit lo mo me chene lakin lo ke ma pe tek pini nyo kiri wa nini kuma ono iwilobo okuma no mero gi beri twero mimiyo ki kony mo ken madano miro pien ki dan ki go be tiu atek timo ngowen ki gamo gene gi kome amuchoro ki gamo choro gi kome e chene joko di munu gi agamente ngi timo ge mo ken gi miro timo lakin polo juno chene en mo jo mo choro ni miro okonyo no en dan en wagi ti atek lakin ngio irwe Africa ko je mo munu pe so ngal mo ken miro te wiye mi no riega mo pene mi lawn but timo mageno mo timo ge mo ma weo kelo chene yala chene mi kelo ne itwero yibo gi gamo mi konyo gang kuja en muna tamo ga miro pol dano bena no mero gi bera timo ne nyogi bera tamo na
Okay, okay. It's a good topic. I've been katama topic on before behind one of our actually celebrities, Megan Lucky Pro, and Lulungani, we were the real name, pero kera Alfred. Pero po, gonna timo campaign mo on Facebook. Me in Dano, me actually community when me gonna can call my walk bene. Me jogo chene, me yubo odiat mo mati. I think it panikwara I'm not sure if he, I'm not sure exactly where it is. I'm gonna share the video right now. But things were that bad back home, okay? I know a chiro gang, but I didn't actually end up in Odiat. Will a chiro come more like that? Kama miro no come your gamente or invest, yeah, to make sure that these are services mommy to provide to your citizens. Bangene pintege murgang. Until I know campaign Lucky Pro. Come charity campaign mulo kono dongo gang or something like that. Let me share come man no kinan. Ki make your comment bangene pinche marat like this gang. You don't neighbor bargi go pergi chakatal to 1 second. Okay, okay, let me know if you can see the video and if you can hear it, okay?
Yeah.
Ya ana nyingi luani oketa Alfred
Iwinyo.
ma Paul dano ngeo Lucky Pro and then gin mo kela tin kan
Itwer gunyana.
Yes.
kan jo Lucky Pro abino machala kin gang yo dana chele kin community gin mo kela kan yo log mo kela kan era ye log me konyo pa yo kon gang ay log me kon gang ka waji kon gang ange una chuli ma Paul ngeo chuli ma ag South Sudan ngeo gin mo tima kar mo kar nge 2024 machalo lotina chuli ma megwa magi yung komgi ku kargi initiative minane waraya gino chena gi ching down kimo watimo pa jo kuja nongone ku kare magu uyer mananok gi ching down ku welo gi kaburumo ku chware gangi yeri mango mati pa jo kuja piko mono kinongo kibot down mati gangni kaburu petie yoria totwal maino lu tuo cha moke kelo mirdo ga gam ke ga mamegi gang kere chiki ture kirayo ku wil kaburu bu poko gang chwele wen donc gin mo kela kan tinni pelo kom kaburu okay nyolo kom gina chama mo mi apoga gino kela kan pelo kom oriat karamu karange wachiro paju kuja wabero kangiyo gang yedi wanong ni gang oriara riyo mamiro kontu apio yoro yot ena yelo bone kyo win kibul donc matina tika logo na twale mi a chegina mi chago nani ena win kibul lokom ordeni piene status apeti mabe 2024 ma wachiro kuno wanongo no tie command eto komberi donc tie command so my noni ot enni tiga saving dano ma Paul an tiga timo tijma duong ki mago lu tuwe iye gi ponyo lu tuwe iye and then ka dago ma gi kelo ma rem me nyual boyo nyual bene iye neno ene status pa ot e komberi kamo ogyeni keti don wakere ku kelo dago mo ma rem boyo twal girwa ko kenyu akara magi teno en inget kabur en me nyualle oto so no kero ko pa dana ario adek at least onyo keri la nyualle ken ko la tuo magi kelo gi pielo kenyu ni we on treatment mamege ka ot eni ko cha kor chwe madip to wiye wen pega ken dongin mo kera kan era yo melega wan machalo kaka ni miro wata chinga chel kari gi 1 pound kemio wala yan community ma Paul tiga using ka chelen ineni komberi quarter board gen quarter board gen wala kari gin matiri meti kere ka inimio no konyo gine wala gine donga jok wakera jok machalo kon gang South Sudan kera jok mo running for 1 month and some week in mo ken ma chunyu telo in dropping gin matie pepar kamaini aye koni ag kweno nyobok cha oriat mamegu do tima bebe peparo pien oriat saving an mo ken okay oriat saving an mo ken kono ngo in yo kamone ni kilari ni kuno kongo in gang ko ngo in kuno kimako in mene ye so what time dong logero bukari kibio kiu nyo wel maromo ger otte gi karre gi chena maromo million piero angwen kimia bongwen kabichel i wel mi pound money pound make ribi dollar wakya rombe dollar leba ngwen nyo leba ngwen mi mia bijo nyo leba beach ngunu me ger maternity wards chidong gero kare gi ger maternity wards chidong gigi maternity ward again no mirongo palo tuo beno betie bien maternity ward dok lo tuo to pe ramo dong ngo tergin kuno no mi ro palo tuo betie so dong lega ma mega bodwan lo tino gang nyo lo tina churi ko weng bullo bo weng ni wator chingwa warip chingwa watengi mo ker manok metikere tim dong wo be dropping gin ngoma lo gero no choyo waker malo twin ko winin yer ngoma twara ker yer weng ko ker kwa matiri gi kan ni ana romo kwa chumare nyaro mo kwa bari I will any nyaro mo kwa bawo ker mo kwa weng ko manok me kwa ni is enough so ana lega wane watim gino wek ngo gang wa be be dong number wo be dropping number me in na ne menu number me romo confirming gi jemi weng romo go ne whatsapp we confirming kin mano chule tikere we gi nge okay we go wore iching mabe pe wore do ne ko ndo dropping kamaraj so ana fo do ba me do gum ya ana nyingi luani oketa alfred nying ma paul dano ngeyo lucky pro
And okay, you know.
Yeah.
Can you see more audiat?
Yeah.
Ni ermati hat ermoti magitale. Ni audiat.
Yeah, it doesn't look like odd yet. If anything, it's been worse than Bucho.
Yeah. And take care of Dano and you lonyo two more and gi ermati erni mun audiat.
It's not odd yet. Basically, get a tent, bon. Oh, get a car, a moko car, riba, a child car. The deal, ni muno odd yet. Like in kilo what you can get safe, go, and not that. So, I know I'm go paying off. I mean, actually, get to a garo, ga, bejo, you carry odd loom. Okay, carry even odd loom ko. Ko even kid style more lo kero lo garo ja lo kero room kuna pa kai we ko lo kero gonna zinky we you know get I mean I guess maybe ngano bo me chen a kid more can be a move garong kari mele milin mo bo me gimoranga kono cho a bit na ngwen gikero gigena gikera kara gikero gimonga tiri wie tumka gikelo tent giwayo so munu gi ame chal bo chol ye chena yo bi kwere moko yo kuna bulu otum nen chal gimona ko bu chol ma ngwatie gere kem ke ado me log
I can't believe Flotia take care of Dano, can you?
I mean,
While yellow teeny men in the same room, Ekabure Makwan, Logo Dano wing in the same room, Erone.
no, I guess it's sad, man, but it just, I guess.
Because government pay a conyo, Dano pay a gero, or yet pay a gero, Gankon pay a your infrastructure wing, community, Mirugi Binka chill, me campaign, me breeze, Jenna, me, Dangagang, Tugi Kendi, you know, come a bear timone. Muru dong tia yin yo mi nga fundraising ma dong mi dok kuja mi tema yubu ga odiat erin ni ti kon odia rio mo magiti at timo campaign mi yubu ne lakini ni Dana can donate whatever they can tell barigi chumage it may not be perfect but it may be a little bit better than erumakon ni kakoni kakora chue wel kono gimo o time lo tingo odiat muno okay yamo tingo odiat ya
Yeah, I'm gonna go. Koro Dano better di lo bone kuja, but junjo jal give me a coin. Kiro nyero waje kerene.
The first one, Ermo Nyurani or Winch Bull, but
Yeah,
you want me Lobona de Pori.
do when you bull.
Muno Wingy Bull. Dana Dongo Wingy Bull.
Yeah.
And include not only just a choli Mari Bene, Jo Paniquargi Rubegi Mari Ngangagi. A chulma dung when Gitti are moving around. There's not just one tribe, I mean clan, sub clan with a clan. Kache. Like what was you? At any point, no you. Gimoti mini you middle lot in the nearest hospital. Come to the nearest hospital. Watching the team. It other.
Yeah, so I mean, it's very good idea. Kiro what you waje kerene. Chulo mara mere get gino ria mon la mi kero chingi ka chiel. Kiro yang what ye kere kanye mani a serala you kona chuli community, surely organization. Yala ka kidogola pa pat gini wengi tigi organization tugi magiti atimo gimi atimo na kaya da kagi bere na chal dano atio meo inyo giti atimo ga tugi mo gimi atimo na jo atio bo giti group tugi mati wagi chwa gola tie giti mo gitu gitu algo me pa job panyi kwa giti mo ga tugi jo imoga tugi so lobone munu ma tie kara giduom ko gitiri ayo watu amogo ma gitie from lobone inyo iyo Kevin
Yeah, Canada, Palua quite. So,
oh yeah Paloa sorry yeah but
Lopone Munupi Palua.
yeah that's what I'm saying I thought it was the same place man so
Yeah.
Johnny like they're not that many giduom ko Bill Jomigena I forgot. I think actually Douglas, yeah, beer, I think.
You
Oh
know, it's a strategic location, no matter geographically.
no, they have.
Kikara border Uganda, it is South Sudan. For the first, it no lobone, ki binugi engo erani. You know
No,
lobone first.
Lobone nyo Paloa yang tie, Paloa no tie ka in the 80s electric, gitie electric no.
Yeah.
Yeah. So I'm surprised government me Eastern Equatoria pay neno.
Boy, you be more, boy, you be
Yeah,
no.
no get electric. Ya gichwala machi biro kere kin pa jog nyo kono chero kere read nyo kono chero kind kono no yang tigi much 80s. So kuja is good for farming. Yala yeah, my tie no so nyo ga bale me like in so Bangalore boy tie known for gana. I mean Paloa is known for having mic, So but in any case, the only thing is, kila waje kere mero no very representative more from en Paloa, Yoko and Lobone Kenya, or Ben Yuruko and what a chulin yes, or the Areman and my Kiranya wajana. Girma my man, there I give my man, with a tier a million PRE or when kono you your wajana. Yala yeah or the ane konya down when no achu to jogi ni konya like I said Paul Dana when yes giti umbrella me a chulin but Paul jogi being online when ngan mo ken giri bo ko mu ni cha yibo
Galo
develop
too.
yeah you do go to still the same thing we konya na gang so I just think yeah kadano tie ka kogo nyo kono tie ka gena ka nyurune gemo tie dio en tie a ding inyo le mo lo waje inga be paying for help nan ma kunyi mana fe so someone in here tie me a good idea and yeah mero konyan like gena give all that yeah right message actually dia kini na message yeah, mero yiri ko mi nyuru kome WhatsApp, Facebook,
Okay, ma, muno celebrity ko eh. Dano inyo do. He's like
oh well, I don't know him then.
He's a celebrity. He has like millions of followers.
No, I don't know that then.
Yeah, so that's why MIT competing with Dano Nan message. Yeah, Dano Nano. But I wonder if they're really contributing.
So who is he?
Muno Lucky Pro. You don't know Lucky Pro? Like go away to
No, Lucky Pro.
Like you I'm got to a bo. A dog to a bo. You know where to go?
No.
Or go tatai. Gonna nga tatai. You don't know
No,
that song?
no, I don't.
Okay, you don't listen to a chili song, huh?
I do. I know.
You don't know Lucky Pro?
No, I usually listen to Boss Big.
No, Boss Mick is like an old classical era. This is called La Kubu Kubu now. The young new generation, we go where Jula Lungi La Kubu Kubu. That's Lucky Pro, Alex Pro.
I know Laxi and blame mo kono nyingi ngane.
Who be Ghana ne? No the
Yeah,
Ghana.
Lexi and Bram.
Mm.
Now at least 11 chule like in I knew again like a pro.
Ah, you need to go watch his videos, okay? You like go away, my bed.
Oh, I didn't know.
uh, he's active on social media. Dan when you know dan when on Nana Jaro.
No,
Because
I'm
he's
not
one
on
of our
social media.
celebrities.
I'm not paying social media. That's why I
I
knew.
know. Exactly.
Yeah.
Yeah, like in actually getting that, I'm sure getting that a video in it. Matia campaigning, but I don't know how many people are actually investing or donating anything. Kido
No,
nisha dunu ne nungo mira dang ki keting kari gine matiri kid mo penya ker kono ki twelve donate chumar wala bari kono are
20
ate.
24 million it did come man. 20
Mm-hmm.
did go.
Mm-hmm.
They say it was 4,000.
So they're not rebuilding the entire foundation. They just get you structure them enough best to make sure Yamatingo ko kineko, kind of get rebuild from beginning. I don't know, from scratch maybe. But
Yeah.
in Glutia Timogam me guru na we have chumatek. It seemed like
No,
um
I think I'm going bad.
mm,
Only I tell why
mm,
uh, yang ma wabino kere porinyo actually pola chula gitia bino kere olani
mm,
chunyu ngo potie me gwo gang metimo
mm,
investment gang yo gin chunyi mera e konjo odo ngi aken komberi
mm,
angeo ko organization pola gitie kan but
mm,
giabe anene me actually chunyi yom mundu giabe pola chula
mm,
yom getting my conference too once a year or twice a year. I
mm,
can pull a gatia nene me and Chaka gig meal gi enjoyment me who suit a bejo
mm,
biduruni eat here or tona loma mo yeah
mm,
lo kamo muni Facebook
mm,
kagino erutu ni muni a chuli long tie kona Canada a chuli tie Australia a chuli mugi abe na lakin substance mo atia ne ya da no ni okay waibo odiat waibo kan kwan yeah waibo ga lakin mugi ya I don't know how to say what is the word in English
mm,
manual manual
mm,
something inferior like
mm,
lo money ga kwan agi yibo ne
mm,
it's not like some I'm not saying it has to be like first world type
mm,
building, but
mm,
okay, give or I don't know, 20 rooms with like modern windows, modern door, ventilation, or have what is it called, solar system, or
mm,
like something that's like semi, what do you call, like semi modern. It doesn't have to
mm,
be world class or
mm,
world type of building. But you actually, if a Poland wing is
mm,
like first floor, it's almost like mud hut type thing, and then
mm,
with this buddy weird.
mm.
It's like subpar. It's almost like I mean I get it, we're from the village, so
Namun at bari kala karo ko kacil pak mana atoli ay odia do.
no, it's not even that. I'm just saying like
I know.
they're capable of me, boy.
What were?
Yeah, me will come out more Yibo child, like like a real building. But
Mm,
all they've been doing is the stuff they've been building
mm-hmm,
is less than 10,000, or at least how I would look at it, which is
mm-hmm,
nothing. Uh,
mm-hmm.
so
I
Paula
think what I can say is after I know kimo look at this forum too. I mean, Julie money. Uh, no, have to encourage Dynami invest in some type of healthcare facility or rehab facility, but youth to amun magiti abalene. It's fatigue. You get there. Our collective society will a culture to a community to a get there. Your chain might be a result of binoko. They don't
Mhm.
want to do it anymore. They got
Yeah,
discouraged. Every time we donate, carry it for years. Project need tunko. Give what you give me project it tunko. So now, ngamo pay my mira ni donge gina con carry ngere konya needed. lakin jumati in charge will kono will dan ka kina donate maybe one chiel okko bene, and then they stop project geek halfway. So people are discouraged. They don't know what to do.
Yeah, una America ka munu geno lokoti awa yo no ngene. Pien awan mayang pur wa bino kere. Twin dana po ti gang, twin dana po mero konya konya. Twin dana mera konya family to be dana giti awa organization ma po lagi bino kere jo gi bino ki Kenya. Giti organization kere jo bino Uganda, giti organization. Jo bino South Sudan, giti organization. Kamwa ken twin yi wen bino tu lagi bino ne. Kimere ki nong chene. Each organization jala ke dok ga weng ma no kanya kuja for the first 10 years dana twingi yum even I remember what I said la I chaka kirene what mo campaign or doing kanya fundraiser mi no chene lutini yellow ngo dana doing tero chum ko la chara plate really you know muni gi wela me plate di chene bino again over time actually you dana chako ngana logo kid organization to kid ma gen ge mira mi dogolo tu giro which was fine in kiti for magui mere magui gi no organization America yes that's fine they uno ngo chene utimo ge mombe kwa nagui munu be kwa nya chulo jowe ko no pani kwara gi mira timo gini we gitim konya pani kwara gini gantu u kon you bo gitimo ga awore munu la to the point where down a poker wa doom ya kado gi binong organization mi actually need to you know tie ilomo apart ya la gi focus ko a big picture you pay a focus gi na no ni au ke wa kanya do gola toa wa kanya do toa wa mi wa num kene wa lo ju chane wa mi wa team meeting in Canada Australia kono UK kono Ireland kono Holland wherever again gimoa dida gitio ma mero gi coin gi down to nyo chula so ho pe nyo twere mene ko yen group tu ti atiri yala iminyo ka unbori bi lo wajani two heads better than one muna chula mene ti ke ma mu bolo lo actually polo gi bera poka so need ma pena waji ko ne need bidana ba lakin inga buke we wing a chel lo mo ngan mo tamo mani ko no need pero olo dana mo atige group ma diri pe pien mun weng una mun guna dega ngwen awaje bena dega ngwen to lakin munu mi nyure ka dana deg ni dana ma ti dana ma no ngi tugi gina ko tangwa pol ko yala keko tu gi bino kere wen nyuru ga wen ko gi tia tangwa so tangwa chulo gi gina gi go kilong kinyo and yeah for what tie ma ya la kena chuli nyo ngan mo ken ni mera ko nyo kome ni mera ko nyo dogo tu ge ge bale lo ke so ka go tangwa ni wa mera ko nyo and dan mi lo bone one way mi ko bo lo mi te dogo la ni dana ngo tinga mi ko nyo chuli mi dana ngo juga e kicha ko nyo chuli twe gir mu to adong dana dum kari tik bero kan teke ya ki tie bo ka pe a par bol je je tie tu no one sometimes ko chaka pe je uno ke ir mire mi $100 so a family when ko pe je un ko a big when mire mi $500 chulo wengi wa you know ko wamere ibo odi lo bone ni wamere ibo odi kanyo each family member tegi tie mo ka pe PRA wa chel tigi ti mere cho mi chel nyo family tu no utia pai or kitchen wamere mi a big gi ko mo wen riero mo uye wamere mi a big gini ka da chulo gi winyo lo gi otoro lo gi munwa gitimo gana yeah no chela na tek again kare me ko dano yala ka dano yo tere wigi da me temana gi temana yo
Yeah, that one where it seems like no good day, get my projects, get my part. Can't be a conya, don't go to no good day. Can't be a conya family to get directly better. That what you like good day. It's been years since ngani the first ngani batch of Dynamo Bino giganane. Kira dongo kono camel koma tigina Uganda Kenya gi kono Ethiopia or Sudan or kan Guinea early 90s. Go down a bit for a long time, give it a for over 30 years, okay. O lebe na result lepe ya wabira ka twala dan ko ne gang kwan gi you will life to wabira ka supporting lakin gi chira gang min wan so abira ka timo gan very bad ikonya family ikonya community lakini miro nergi mo sustainable gi mo makun konya gi long term so you can say okay thank you now I'm gonna watch while get my knock over the crutch lakin erwin ki chira gang ni crutch even put juni bogi gine okay, threshold okay, I did enough. They can sustain kumbi now. Invest more, kono get more business, more matwara konya kumbi kumchani. Now you can stop and focus on investment. Mo ma papa koni the community kan kuja wel kani kan wale iri me yenyo yo me kwa iri mi fero per mi dog gang one way mama mi dog gang don't what in the 40s and 50s what me dog gang itam ko ke chiro gang ma family mi ti ku ma duong pori gi miro kon investment mi timo ni cha kon ti mene ni no dar won pori wen gi miro kon lo nena ilo ne miro kon timo ni muri mene gi de okay muri dong mene dong gi miro gina ko donate ko kan mo ben ka gin bagi ber kan result ben ti dong pe gi miro dong timo donation ko ilebo kwe wona kuya dong Africa na watin mere ka jal gichiro ya USA Sudan wala Juba gumunu ne wala kini wa yang ben watin investing kuya wat ku donate bo ogi ber pori kamo twara the rather maybe donate to NGO mo kere ma kono tikera ti mo kai Africa kono ngongo ereni accountability net here mere ngo gi produce financial records to at least gi mo gumunu gi temo even that now bere giti a bit discouraged me donate to NGO Ginamati Atimagambo International NGO Mati Atimagange. It seems like Ghana no well reached level no you peak it up what you don't decline conjunctia declining man up. So we need some type of motivation, some type of morale. We need to build the community up again. What timoni ning madana weng dong gide gi wayang kala donation kono ngo gi kare lo timo do community lo timo kono lo timo gi gina through family or through community down day one thing that may motivate dana me get a thing nena current event mi gang ina nga okuma welcome to apia timo ge mo kono ki gunye ni dana gi orgi gi porgi arabi yo cause you right dana wenga to wang I remember case mo gumunu mani there's a Acholi community kamo yo moti ma right kone numle ro ka gi porgi arabi dan wangato yo ne right ka chwe gi ngo flooding gi ngo yo went to yo bala every time dana to ye so ko ogumunu makoko til one out kadon bo yub yo ne wabere ka to ogumunu nyu dana adon gi move ko there's no movement it were to make money ko it were chere la jela ko it were chere chuko it were to moko bien yo wen grach o kuma men konyi ko kuma ne men bere you know tia chana yalo international community gidde gi konyo kuma gidde gi konyo dana ma ko je pen gi nan result ko gidde yalo do kuma do bala do gamente to do ko bala gi chagari ma NGO gi gang to akuje mi konyo dano muri gono juma no tia konyo tia juma bero in a healthcare system tia konyo one kuno doctors without borders with other health NGOs kini magi tia providing service me healthcare gang so donc dana donkeni do yak mitima most of it okay dana to pole or yak it's not because jone bugi kwan gi ngete because ningo ne capacity ne pay infrastructure ne pay gar mo no ma pay ma ta or man ngo dana ti on oxygen okay Ghana doom kaga dam take emergency no ma pay your generator run out kono nga tools mo pay equipment mo pay kono nga loke doom so munu do mamiro motivate dano gi maybe rally support within the community within South Sudan tech bene dana buri gi biep kon ka konya kono program pangare kono konya NG pangare kon do gi bi lawyer one ko be better do tribal like he konya hamun NGO ni run by this group of people kon ko konya do kon gina konya gin lo konya don ko kono no initiative te konya the entire South Sudan mun be gi de do ha they rather go to like South America kamone me donate to Africa get nana ni ha accountability ne keep me now keep my result let him man there's some progress but it requires a lot of investment. It requires a lot of donations. And it's a conflict zone. Gam to a conflict zone. Dana kwera chira ye pola. Ki wani chiri bank when we kwanya loan yo mira ya bokono like NGO makai matwera sponsor gam kuya lo kwera pia munu tira red zone conflict zone. So one minute watching Kenwa, we need to really find that motivation though. Mingani, the way we used to back in the day in early 1990s, me wajina sara la kono nga what fundraising can gini. I don't know, have we been doing any fundraising through groups in Guinea Kono go like a pugging ngage fundraising gitia timo at scale kidma yang wati wa chala sara la bi muni wa chera ko ni church ko conference ka lo lungo muni gi bin ka donate channel. I don't know. I haven't been involved in the Acholi community like that. Even if it was happening now, during the day, okay, my one project, more bit of team, young, but then when a result like what team, nobody wants to invest. So I'm then a take ownership of those kind of projects and programs. Child NGO pa ganetwani. What a hero. I think it's a great initiative. Tia cover Gawing psychosocial services across sectors in South Sudan, and not just within our community, but across South Sudan. Murukiro Gemawa need back home, okay? But the only thing now is funding Chalma Lucky Pro Birakatima. Get campaigning lakin through other programs or offices to Naka Yitwere no chena no chena net take locally gigang ku dana pegi chena dana wan take car waraj eno gi nyo muni no ori am gin pola ori am gin ko gigang ku ya to dong gir base chena dini ka wan bo wa kon gin men gi twara temne ko gin no ko magi provide services but dana locally pien gamete to atwara ko. What do you think? How do you think we can motivate Dana like we did back in the day as in the early 90s? How can we motivate Dana now, King, to go back to where we started, me donate Chene, team of fundraising, having that joy. It was fun, ko? One little thing, what you want mielo, punyum give me a mielo, potato chum, potluck, Chene ni, my beautiful community, me fundraising, irga events, when me kon your gun. Chunwa you a minute no back in the day. How do we get that back? Is it possible? Me no, motivation, me dokatim kirugani, okay?
No, it's not gonna be possible. No, Pien, back then, a chulung when you take a chill, Pien Dana when a chulung knock kanya, you a chulung knock a liar. So, in 1993, one don't get what year almost in America, kanya. A chulung more one pay. The only Leeward war ticket from Africa was Otunu from Uganda. Yeah, Odiang my chill. Bangio Bear. Yeah, and then other friends are taken from Eritrea. Munu 1993. Somali men no podipe. Mo gogiti America like pay ka watia bere. Yeah, so Kare Donovan no pushing you me better from Africa, you better from South Sudan, better gonna you kind payment yeah truly cool. Kido mo chol mo ike chuni yum kanena ya ku tia timo ka chiel chuni yum ka timo Ghana. Again after a while in actually chuno ge maro kum gi en ki iwaje kera sela ya mo wuro ken yang what unen lotini uneo dane weng yala unge family to be wing unge ke gi bino kare yala gin mene chwingi yom kaneno in chwingi yom gi mero miel ke ni munu punyo te kwaro yala gi mero konyo family to be we gi kon dano ti gang ku so yang Yeah, I knew he was the pride level chulu lungo ningo. Yum pinyo no dungo kum dana, chin dana no, chingy bear no, the maro, lo me culture dana no. And over time, you know, dana chaka bino nga dungo, pinyo na bera bala, ken, penny mi jogo chenako, akin competition, yeah, okay, one your ball. Okay, one year what I there, I law down there go if I jog. You me magui, America, okay, one is for magui. You if I jog, get at them there, 1 minute what team dogo to, yeah, down at Jacapore, can you? And then from there, let's say, Natila, La Tuela,
La Tela.
La Tela, me, and a chulo organization, let's say, and for magui. Ngai instead of be nyuruga wen with an organization what ya no one no ale piario one no ale pia day what he fundraiser kanya what he kanya ngari 20,000 not the account per or go a corner moya you know when it's yeah ding any bar 20,000 okay account kere okay ro kuma yala chama kimo no from there secretary per will go financial kono administrator tiro ko chal danami and dogola tuki so joi pani kwa tiro president tiro secretary tiro finance secretary o ngone mi gori ko mo ko lo mi chere ne chere o chere ko yo mo apat ina choli gi penyo undal be last time wa je wati 20,000 tin mara apat so be don't what big 40,000. So what really illegal can in your work? Not even can. So if you look clearly, there's at least 3, 4, 5 actually leaders. Money ki bar can. Munu log me bar ne. Peri ki bar. Get jam with can. Laki ini wajebo log. E pio chaka bale kenyo. Tela olo yero gine. Get chaka go log mo gana. Log mo me further. Ki kwa la can. You wikelo watugi mo ni jono gi beri lo executive members yala ki lo mi executive members gi pay atimo ge bon manyuru ni gin gi tier organization age mero konya chuli wen gino gi tia go chokona gi mero ro gi wen do dog yi gang tugi nyogi gi wen ki lokero ge ba lokero yala gi kenyo gi chao organization mo apart gi nying mo apart lakin gi using the same format, the same information, like let's say the donation. You knew a bear, okay, money, give me a channel. You knew a bear, there here the city, me a channel. You knew a bear, get a dokan, let's say Hannaford, get you the Shaws, get you a Kunokain, you give me a channel. You go to United Way, give me a channel. Pien, young, Munuka, young, I truly give better no channel here. I keep coming gi goria wana be dogola tugi gi chero pora gi chene the same way akin tie nyuru wara ga nyuru en pora chuli community lakini ki luak don ni kina chuli gi no gi loko wa yang apart so mun go better about an organization for chuli ani a be dana pol gi kwala chene akin Gimo actually more team ko me pe. The only thing get team wa joke in ni pay the members anymore you pay the president you pay the la tela. La kinga do kira nyingi lo pero apart o lo nyingi ni wangu apart gitia no chene. So pola ata actually get team munu. I guess otio ige nyo konyo gin kira gimero konyo bin like in the long run emunu ki o bala chwindama wengi en look peri jomi afrika kena ki pe a kenyo akelo wara ga nyuri development o ibo odia da be o ibo gankona be nyu kono opogo kono mio nima nye tie nyuri ne gena mattress o chwalo nyu kono ngona so Pedi kwala chene Kenya Africa like joti ola kanyuna gi balo kum gi pien gi neno maber yo ka organization ti abe jogi bine kanye timo gini maber mon wadonye en ogin tie ura be lakin swing dana mo go bedo akwa ni chao lago gino ko chal business tugi business mi dogola tugi so atamo en Kenya dana pole ibera ka gana kaneni an mene kare pa ke tunya gino pien ni gini mene chero ka moko pien ni dana ibera kwala chene yala jomi Africa mene trust gin ko yala almen kanya ti bila duong nyamera kon ko mai ngo so atamo ni en yok weng wa tina ya dana ne tunya dok pen ko ni en pilo
Okay. So another time on it, the only way now most people trust even offering any type of community support is through trusted sources, so trusted programs and NGOs at Tamone. Kari locally ko ka local capacity page jumati wakatu matwara konya one. Then it seems like what Peggy getting that motivation. So I wanted to share the initiative for your organization in Hero. Pinatamni Jungi cover most of the community services. Mawa need gang. Mao kuma to providing go 1 minute po like our donating channel wapege capacity. We don't even produce the result. Kawatima individually, maybe slowly, Jum ko take business to get a gang, kono pa job or kanya get him individually, munu bear. Atamne kawa mira tim gimodo community service, community based organization, go mane, NGO, go mane. Twera konya gang, kalo twera donate, twara dana chiri kira website any, munu is a locally initiated, NGO, mi gang. Mi South Sudan or Chaka Jubal Luan Health and Relief Organization, your hero, Mi South Sudan. You get con you work gang the actually can go get con your throughout all the 10 states, Mi South Sudan. I've been browsing through. I think if anybody wants to help gang, Mirgi donate to this organization. And this is one organization that I know that I will support. And get at Magama Bay. Ngogi Konyo Ngo, healthcare services, Lomio Chum, okay? Lokanya Gami agriculture, Kono Ngo, tools, Gingo, Genyo Neuro, training, Mogomi Konyo, growing crops, Gingo, Gang Kuya, P, sanitation, when I get Konyo Lomi P, Yenyo P, borehole, Gingo, Yubutang, Gingo, Kono, pathways, which I know P, clean water, but Dana, Matidi, South Sudan. Not only the Acholi, also education, training, Gangkwan Gingang, to provide service for that. Peace building, community dialogue, forum conferences, Kitimo Maduong, Aberkanana do website Tugi, Ka emergency relief, Ka flooding, Tia, your conflict, Tia Kamo, you better get first response team, Gingang, and then partnership with not only Okuma, but also other NGOs, international NGOs. And it's a trusted system where they're being audited by the government and then a third party Bennett, and they have an accounting might provide their financial records so that you see how they're using all their money. Mikonya, Wuni, South Sudan. I think it's a great opportunity. A service like this might provide service across the different sectors. Okay. These are the team members, me organization, I am back home, like in there serving across South Sudan. Okay, like I said before. Gitimo gang tua di pajok like Choli wala Equatoria, Benedichera wa upstate, up and now, Ginganga, Gazal, everywhere. Yeah. Okay. So I think it's a great program, it's a great NGO. And these are some of the services they provide and programs and projects they do. I think I want to encourage Acholi and also all of the Africans or people. There's a lot of foreigners, but South Sudan, or anybody else watching this channel. Go to this website and look through the platform here, then all the different services. Watch and see how they serve the community back home across South Sudan, and make a donation. If you want to make the donation as a community, you can. If you want to do it as an individual, you can. If you're a church or NGO or something like that, and you want to make a donation, you can also do so by using this donation tab here, or you can contact them via WhatsApp. I think it's a great organization, and this is one way that one as an Acholi community, Kidmawatwara donate back. Okay. I'm not going to keep you too much longer. I just wanted to share that, and also one more thing, okay? Before I let you go, I'm holding you hostage. Let me stop sharing the screen. Amira Ningo, we have Iri Lucky Pro music, my chill. So you can remember our celebrity who's doing great back home. And so you can have an idea of who this guy is. Always trying to bring back support, gang, midong gang, while also being a celebrity. I'm not talking like a pro.
No, I don't.
Hey.
No, I know Paul. Like I said, I know the Dongo Paul. Jeremy, like I know Bosnick. I know Priscilla.
No.
I know.
You don't Joe Medina.
Oh, okay. Yeah. Well, I don't know, but
are we getting old? Well, 1 minute, what team, man? This is like the younger generation, though. These guys are like in their 20s and 30s. Wonder what team, man?
I mean, I know Dongo like what is it? Okeny, Bonetown.
Oh, okay.
And,
this is Lucky Pro. You never heard that song before?
which song?
Oh, you're not hearing it?
No, I don't hear anything.
I was hearing. Oh, I thought you were.
No.
Okay.
Can
you hear it?
Yeah.
It's your boy, Lucky Pro.
You heard it before.
Yeah.
You never heard that song before?
No.
You can hear it? This is about a golf.
Quireba, Nino Mego Tua, Mego Walba, Nino Ngom Tua, Ngom Chego Chong, Nina Yira Tua, Yira Quireba, Nino Mego Tua.
So anyway, that's a lucky pro.
Yeah, this is the
Just
first
wanted to
time.
show you this. You can. Okay.
Yeah, I'm serious. This is the first
Really?
time. Yeah, I never heard of them.
Oh
But I
my
mean,
God. He's a major artist, major artist in Uganda and South Sudan.
no, I can't. The last time I was on Facebook was 2013.
Oh my God. Okay, you're missing out. The world is passing you by.
Well, I don't know. I'm saving myself from the rest.
I guess so.
Yeah.
But then I want to tell a Chuli community, please, chiri gang, kagero gang, try to invest whatever you can. Kon you lucky pro campaign better ni. Yeah, but chiri hero website. I drop link in the chat, Kanye. Go to that website and see if you can make a donation. Me kon your service, me kon your one gang kuja gini. That's the link, Mara. Lulumani Hero Health and Relief Organization in South Sudan. It's based out of Juba. Wukon Gang. Okay, any final thoughts on what to wear a Dongo Gang and how to come together? Me konya gang. Your kid campaign, but lucky pro, gini, me konya kid audiat munu mati makeshift, barely standing up, down wing middle serve. Guinea. Any final thoughts?
No, basically, actually, to a Joe Chena, Kida, near to Pena, Yala Kira near Kira, young, even in your bed. Kawan when we joke $100. There's more than 10,000 actually. Magiti we logo. I mean, a liar. So $10,000. I mean, 100 people. I mean, $100 per person. Nyongati moape piare wa chiel iwie. Koldana tie moape piare wa chiel iwie ne. Giti jwang. Ki jogo dollar mia chiel. Yes. Dollar mia chiel. Cha mo no na tek. Lakin ka ne mera kwanya gang. Ni mera kwanya dana yuti ichane kongene mia chiel. Timba gimone ke taone ko. Chien i bolo gimi bolo di pi. Bill wachulo bill. Tuan chene eliba di dollars ni America. Mia chiel munu chene mai tuer bolo ne. Yala kamene pi tampi lakin inye biloga ga konye dano mo pol ka ko yi odia gi gang kwan gi nyome chwalen organization hero ni dollar mia chiel munu tuan chene wa dit to lutini chiamo ye wala gi yat chulo gi doctor gi new nurses gi a chulo de ko dan gi mera konye dano ana mera de ri lo mi jogo chene kom log mi jogo chene pe ni log mi ngala yo kono ni wale ni okay pien joni pe do gola pa yo okay joni pe organization tone yala ko lo chi kwala chene ko ngan mo chama chene ko mirang cha mo mero me cha lo e team di amiri team ko kon dano mo tamu ya ti awaje
Okay. Yeah, Chula community, Jotua African community. If you want to donate back home, find a NGO or a person you can trust back home who's actually working on building something back home, and donate. Make a donation. You can also try to do it yourself. King any take a capacity, me donate chenegang, wala gergimo. Kari mud, tim, konya dano. Those are my final words because I'm going to lose trust because of gamma wabir kanencha mawadani. One any investment wabir katime young konachwala chen kono konya family konya community project. Result of it pay is not sustainable. Gimoma try to konya down a long term go will konya gang. Good you went putting me to you or the in a hospital will a gam kwan gi wen mira poro yubi. Okuma get to Irako, well, they don't want to. We kono gimira invest come to Ikena no chama one kwanya resource to I can me gera kamugo. So we have to do it. We have to take ownership. Me konya gang to organizations child hero gina nera ningo gi konya gang to and they're not gonna selfish. Gi konya the Equatoria can go get konya throughout all South Sudan. That's a respectful organization we'll try to trust. And I put my okay, this is Chaka Leb Acholi. Segment Ceng Abicel Okeny and Jacqueline Kango Court. and you guys already know Okeny. Please make sure to like, comment, and share. And also follow us on Facebook. We are on Facebook as Chaka Acholi. We are on YouTube as Chaka Acholi as well. I also post on my personal Facebook, which is Chaka South Sudan. Anapua Matek, until next time, next Saturday. Anapua Matek. Okay. Thank you so much. Have a good night.
Good night, Kang.
Okay, bye-bye.